country, West Africa, Bota. I'm here to help the kids. As you all can see what I'm about to do, I'm about to give them some charity from myself, from nobody but myself. I'm trying my best to do what I have to do. So I have some people here who is very interested on this one. I'm going to interview them, and they are the one who's going to distribute the toys for me. The toys, teddy bear, clothes, as you all can see. We need help in Africa so bad. I'm telling you, all these kids need help. They need to go to school, they need clothes, they need shoes, they need everything. They need blue, pen, everything, whatever they can get. They need our business.
No, the kids need help.
Really?
And we appreciate it very much. What you are about to do now, you know, it goes down in the history. The children of Sierra Leone, Africa, they are suffering. They are really suffering. We need to help them. We need help. And our sister here is really doing a very good job. So please, we need support from you people to help the children to grow. They need to go to school. You know, we need to help the kids. Please, we need your help.
What do you think about the kids?
These kids, they need help from donors. In Sierra Leone, this is not the first time for Mrs. Zain, Fantasy in bracket, for help these children in Africa. So we hope that she will continue to help those kids. They need some learning materials, they need clothing, you know, they need all that things. So we hope and pray that she will do more than this one. She's just doing it like this. So we hope Sierra Leone, with lack of poor, we need more help from foreign donors, like clothing, school materials, you know, so that we can help those kids to go further with their education.
Question.
Okay.
This is a continuous process or?
In the name of God, I will continue to do this. I'm doing it by myself, but I hope I will have somebody who will assist me so that I can do more than this one. So I'm about to go to the kids now.
Some people have forgotten to happen. I will not give you. They can't join
I need to build, I need to do so many things, and I'm going to show the land that they need to build. So we are asking for help. Please help us.
Books are not even available. Parents are so poor to even provide and get textbooks on their own. Writing materials are not there. To even get lunch, that one is very, very deplorable. That one is out of the whole topic. They can come here on empty stomach, spend the whole day here, even with their teachers.
There is no lunch.
There is no lunch, nothing.
No money in the country. It's so hard in Africa.
That is it.
So I know in US people have it, they can afford it. So why can't you help? Please, we're pleading to help this school.
Some old materials, even to come to us, we can appreciate it very much. Our sister here has come to assist us. She is requesting. So whoever is ready to assist her, let that assistance come, and they will be very helpful. We are grateful for their coming here, and any other assistance they can give us.
People are so nice. And what bring me here? Oprah is the one who bring me here. Oprah is my mentor. I see what Oprah do in South Africa. So I'm trying to imitate what Oprah do. This 2 months so far in the world, anybody can ever ever know. What she did in South Africa, do what I supposed to do. Okay. As you all can see, look at the school. It's so poor. There is no basketball court. And look at the blackboard. How can I concentrate on doing that? The one sitting right now, I'm so tired. So we need help. This is the teacher. You see?
These students need assistance. Madam has helped a lot of other schools. Kids all over.
By myself.
She only done it by herself. Now, if she is given more, I think she can do better than what she has done. But she is doing it alone, and she has got other parents. She has got other things. There are other people who could volunteer to assist her. I think our sister here can do better because she has just the interest of this country in her heart. She is ready. She nearly cried when she saw these kids seated on the floor with a teacher writing on the table on the desk.
Toilet facility in this school is so poor. I don't even want to go inside there. I just will put it light in the video so you all can see what I'm talking about.
This school alone can accommodate up to 600 students. We are using this toilet of 4 holes together with the primary school. How dirty the whole place is. We can barely manage to come in there. This one is being used by the students together with their staff members.
Look, they just came from the toilet place. I can't even go around here because I'm not used to that.
Wow,
so we need help. Now, what they're trying to do here, or what I'm trying to do with the help of, this is the land. We're trying to purchase this land and build like a daycare for people and improve the school and do whatever we can do here. That's what we're trying to do, you see. And if you turn,
they have in mind to do for us. But we want to know, we are confused. Where is he really getting this whole idea from? Who is your mentor?
oh, that's what I was talking. Yeah.
Okay, yes, we have heard about her.
Right, she's a very nice lady. I saw her in the TV help South Africa, build school, start saving my money so that I can help the kids in Bhutan. And that's what I've been doing. But now, as you all can see, it's so expanded. I need help. And believe me, I need help. If Oprah can help us, it's good. Anybody in the USA can help us, it's good. But that's where Oprah is my mentor. I admire Oprah so much that I don't know how to admire her. So that's where I get all my idea from. Let me tell you that today.
We hope and
No clean water here. There is nothing absolutely. That's why I have to do all these things. And I really need help from them. I do need help from them. Let me go on the other side.
Yeah.
As you all had what they just tell you all the tips. All these kids need help. They need so many help. So I'm hoping that I can come here and do so many things for them and put it in the tape and take it back to the USA so everybody can see what I'm doing here. Like what I've done by myself already. I've already done so many things for, like, let me say 500 and something kids when I just came. This is the map.